Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I still think it's either going to go up to the 123, 100 for either a running flat, wave C, or it's possibly going to go all the way up to the 178, 161.8 for an expanding wave C. Either way, I think we're going to lead to a pretty big uptrend on these higher time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I think this 5 waves up right here is a wave 1. I think this is a WXY, most likely a wave 2. And I still think this on the weekly time frame is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows for a big wave 3. So heading down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, we definitely did break structure to the upside. I mean, it definitely did kind of reject structure. Hopefully, that break of structure is telling us that this is a wave 1, that the wave 2 is already over, and that this week we're going to be starting a wave 3 of either an expanding flat or a running flat. So, heading down to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, definitely in a retracement right now. Definitely broke structure and held above structure, so you would think that this would be the end of a pattern. Hopefully, it's the end of an ABC of 2, and if that's the case, then this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and we're already in that big wave 3. I do definitely have an alternative count on the daily time frame that would have this going down and taking out the previous lows, but with this break of structure, it looks like we should be going out for either a 1, 2, 3 of 3, or possibly an ABC correction to the whole move down, which is definitely possible. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last push up right here. I would expect this push down to be some sort of a three-way pattern. I bet this is only a wave A. I think it's likely it probably will drift up a little bit, probably a wave B, and I think it needs to go down at least to maybe the 61.8 or even lower to make a wave C before we actually do end the correction and continue the uptrend. So I do believe that the trend is up. I do believe overall the trend will continue up. I would expect to see some sort of a three-way pullback, maybe something like this, ABC down, before we actually do get the continuation of the uptrend. Now, like I was saying, this could be a wave A, or I think it possibly is more likely a wave 1. You would expect this to be either an ABC of 2, which is what I think it is, or possibly a wave B. Then you would expect the next move up to be either a wave C or a wave 3. Either way, we're going to try to get long at the end of this correction, and we'll learn and earn whether we're looking at a wave C or whether we're looking at a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.